Kilala niyo si Freddie Mercury? Siya yung lead vocalist ng legendary rock band The Queen and is considered one of the greatest singers and performers in music history. Pero despite global fame and success, ang sabi niya, you can have everything in the world and still be the loneliest man. Grabe no? You can have money, you can have fame, validation, beauty, success. Pero kung wala si Kristo sa buhay mo, you can still be the most miserable person on earth. Kaya ito ang paalala ng Bible. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world, yet forfeit his soul? Mark 8:36. Anong saysay na makamtan mo ang lahat kung wala si Kristo sa puso mo? Alam mo, what your soul really need is not something, but someone. His name is Jesus.